Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video I will show how we can inject content from other components, and how we can include a child component into your to the next component, so you can reuse your styles. It can help you a lot when you have small items. You reuse a lot, like when you collapse something and you expand something. So that's what I want to show you today. I will show how you can collapse something and then expand something, and we will use the view only section called slot. It's very nice. And it's very simple to start with. So let's starting to use our shell folder. The shell folder is where I want to build my new component. I will call this component for collapse. And inside here I want to have my template, and in my template I want to an outer view and an inner view. And because this is something I want to click on, I will have a style, background, gray, and cursor, a pointer. And inside here I want to make a span, and I want to bind the options. If open is true, then do this. If open is false, show this. And we need to toggle our click, so I'll bind on click event, so open is equal to the different from open, and I'll add it up here too. I'll make a arrow in a hexadecimal 25b2 and call it collapse. I'll put it down here, call it C here, and expand. And then we need a slot, and if open. I will only view the content inside here if open is equal to true, else I want to hide it. So let's make the script. Export default, and the name should be collapse. And then the data should be function return open true. That's meaning our default value of open we use up here, it's true. So as default our slot always is open and showing. And then it's compiled, everything is correct, and then we have our default child here. What we need to do here is say I want the component inside here, and I want to include collapse and use the collapse, and I want to import share collapse view, from, and up here I need a tag. then we go for a default builder here. You can see collapse, expand. It's pretty easy. If you need to tell something like collapse, need data to show height, this content will be showing if we don't have any data inside our collapse element. Up here we have the for loop and the UL tag, but inside here it's empty. So if I'm going back here and reload it, you can see the collapse need data to show and hide, but it's still working. And it's up here too. So that's how it's working when you work with injected the data between the components, and it will save you for a lot of time, so you don't need to reuse your code. And I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please make a comments below, and I hope you want to like this video, and of course I hope you want to subscribe my channel and add this video to your playlist and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you next time.